Let's look at how color theory can enhance the effect of your mindful line drawing. In Neurographics, the coloring step is called archetyping. You can learn more about it inside the Mindful Line Club. Now, here's the color wheel. Think of it as a little map of how colors work together. Colors that sit across from each other are called complementary colors. For example, teal and coral. When you want to color a darker teal, you can press down harder depending on the color you use, or use two different similar shades like teal and blue. Or, since teal and coral are companion colors, you can start with coral in the darker area, and then on top of that add the teal. Doing this will create a different color and have more depth. Now let's try red. You can use dark red, light red, and it still works, but it appears with higher contrast and greater dimension if you start with green and then add red on top. See how this part looks less flat? And it doesn't have to be only inside the figures. You can use the companion color in the background too. So here, I'm adding purple around the yellow. And because these colors support each other, the yellow figure becomes brighter, stronger, and much more visible.